Hey, hello and welcome to this video. I'm be honest, I already thought I had done this video, but evidently I was going through some old stuff, cleaning out the hard drive, and found that I hadn't done this video yet. So, let's move on forward. What we're going to be doing is doing the taste test for the honey Mockley, or the mead hybrid Mockley thing that I did. This is it. It's settled. Very nice. I like the sediment. I like the way it's settled. I love the color because of the honey. The top part isn't, and I'm sorry, but the correct names for this have vanished from my brain right now. But there we go. Like I said, you can see the effects of the honey on the clear. And you got a real nice sediment. I have tasted the sediment and the clear, or what should be clear, separately, and they're not bad. They're not anything to write home about. They're not anything super special, but they're not bad. Now, when we mix it and we do this taste test, it is very, very good. Very well done. The rice does a real good job with the honey, and the honey and the rice they get along real well in this particular concoction. I forgot what I was going to say. I hate it when that happens. The process, using the mead yeast instead of a champagne yeast or wine yeast, I think contributed to that. And another thing, if you notice, I put it in a mason jar, put my sample batch in a mason jar, and this is a canning lid, or for doing fermentation of vegetables and fruits and stuff. What I did is I put it on and I extracted all the air out. So there's no oxygen sitting on there. And as we all know, oxygen and UV rays are alcohol's worst enemies. What I did is about 2 hours ago, I took this out of the refrigerator and put it in the freezer. So this is really cold. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but this mason jar is getting a lot of condensation on it from being out in the heat. So, without further ado, we'll go ahead and we'll shake it up. We'll take a look at it. There we go. This is and I like this color. It's kind of off-white, but not yellow off-white. I don't know, it's kind of like a dull ivory color to me, I guess. I don't know. But we'll go ahead and open this if we can. There we go. I don't know if you heard it. There's a psst when the air entered in. So, smells heavenly. You've got the Mockley nodes. You got the rice nodes. You even got a little bit of hint of there we go. This is a better close-up. Honey in there. In the smell, it's wonderful. So, if you have ever held real high quality silk in your fingers and the way it feels, the smooth silkiness, that's what drinking this is like. This is smooth. You get the honey. You get this honey. You get a honey at the beginning. About the middle, you get a honey rice mixture. Then toward the end, you get more of your traditional Mockley taste. It is the taste on this is extremely complex. It's hard to put into words, but It's soothing. It's sweet. It is sweet. This would be good with ice cream, chocolate pie, not necessarily cake. I don't know if I'd go with this with cake, but I would most definitely do this with like a pie or something like that. So, yeah, it's sweet, but it's natural sweet. It doesn't have the aspartame that you get in a lot of commercial macchiatos. This is a real treat to your tongue. Your mouth will love you for it. So, I'm sorry at the delay on getting this video out. Summer started out rough. Then I got into doing other hobbies that, because I can only do them during the summer, took priority over brewing and stuff. So, like I said, this is great stuff. Strongly suggest going back, looking up the recipe, going over the earlier videos, and trying it for yourself. Modify it. But this is really good. Until next time, peace, love, better brewing.